Here's our Costco haul. It was $280, which is exactly what I had on my food stamps card. And yeah, my partner has MCAS, EDS POS MCAS. So let me show you what we got here. So I got 35 bucks Costco hamburger, and then this was $53. It's a big old thing of beef chuck steak, boneless. This is what they use for carne asada. All of this is going to get portioned out and vacuum sealed into small portions so you can cook little individual meals. So with MCAS, you can pretty much only eat fresh meat and veggies and some fruit. Pretty much everything else is poison. Fresh veggies, fresh meat, and some fruit. Like anything processed, all cereals. Anyway, so I got Cheerios and then mac and cheese. Costco coffee. This was like 25. This was like 10. The cereal was like 7. The Costco coffee is Russian roulette. They just repackage what they have extra of. So sometimes, 9 out of 10 times, it's a really good deal though. All right. So with MCAS, you want to avoid histamine. You want to avoid folic acid. If possible, you want a zero folic acid diet and a low histamine diet. So this bread, inked, and then Mike's bread are like the only two breads, one of the only two that don't have folic acid. And then pretty much all flour of any kind has folic acid. It's enriched flour, but this is a Costco brand blanched almond flour, and it is zero folic acid. So we're going to try to make some fresh baked, delicious baked treats for Clover with this, for snacks and for like weight gain kind of stuff. Costco peanut butter. The only peanut butter I know of that has no added sugar. Crazy. 0 grams added sugar. Best peanut butter in the world. That was only like, I think that was only like $9 or $10 too. That huge thing. Can you believe that? And then this carrots was $6. Broccoli was $4.50. Celery was like $6.50. Looks good, right? Really nice. All right. Oh, and then last time we went, not this trip, but we got this whey protein. So this is zero folic acid whey protein. This Ascent brand. This is the brand you need. That's easiest to digest if you have MCAS. So we're going to take this whey protein. I'm going to like blend it with this Clover milk. This is the best brand milk if you have MCAS too. Is this Clover brand milk, 2%? I didn't get that at Costco, but anyway, I'm going to use that protein, whip it up, make a protein foam on top of a matcha. I'll show you the matcha we got. Okay, and then this was instant coffee I got for 15 bucks. Costco brand organic strawberry spread. This is only like 7 or 8 bucks. Look at the ingredients. Strawberries, cane sugar, pectin, citric acid. That's it. That's the only ingredients. It's so good, so natural. Almonds, this was like 11 bucks. This giant bag of almonds. So cool. These are so good. I had never had good almonds before I had Costco brand almonds. Kirkland brand is the name of Costco brand. I always thought almonds supposed to taste bitter and were hard. I didn't know until I had Costco ones that they're supposed to be delicious and soft. All right, next up we got organic chicken stock. This is what we're going to use to make soups and stuff. This was like only $8, I think. This inked keto bread was only like, I want to say like $8. So a good deal. We're going to use this chicken stock to make all kinds of stuff like beef roast, chuck roast, chicken soup. And then what's next here? Yeah, I actually like this inked keto bread so much. I bought this one for myself because I like Clover so much. I tried a piece and it has no sweetness to it at all. I don't like a sweet bread. And that inked brand, literally no sweetness. It's just good, hearty, and delicious. And then we just got bottled water. This was like, I want to say like $8 or something just for guests. We're going to, we're about to open Under Blast HQ, our studio. We're going to be doing tattoos, having seminars, classes, and stuff. So I just figured we might as well get a big old thing of water for our guests and stuff. I'll load that later. All right, what else? Okay, and then we're almost at 250. Oh, and then the matcha. I got this. It was 25 bucks for 2 of these. This Emperor's matcha. Is really good. So I'm gonna take this matcha. I'm gonna blend it with that clover milk, and then I'm gonna take our little blender here and blend that whey protein with the clover milk and make a foam. And I'm gonna have like basically a matcha latte with that whey protein foam on top. This is a really good way to get protein if you have MCAS. This is Ascent 100% whey, and it's easy to digest. You know, with MCAS you have dysmotility, gastroparesis. And I'm really excited to try out this blanched almond flour. I don't know how to bake, so I'm gonna look up like the easiest thing possible to make with this to start, because I'm a beginner. I've been cooking dinners for Clover because she's been doing really badly lately, and we're trying to do like zero folic acid, low histamine. So that's it. That was 280. Boom. I'm very proud personally. I think we nailed it. Am I forgetting anything? Oh, Eggos. Look at all these Eggos. All these Eggos was only like $10. Freezer full of Eggos. Yeah, man. Good haul. I'm proud. I think we did good.